Good afternoon, ma'am.
Okay, very good afternoon, sir. Welcome to the session. Tell me, how are you today?
Yeah, I'm doing very well. Thank you for asking. And how have you been?
Yes, I am also have been fantastic. Thank you so much for asking.
Yes, yes. And ma'am, how is and the winter season is going on, and how is the weather over there in your state?
Yeah, I would say it's heavy cold these days.
Yes. And right now the winter season is
Yeah,
going on. I am on the field area. You can see everywhere. The farmer is planting the potato.
potato. Yeah, I can see in behind you, there are potato fields.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
And what kind of crops are you growing
Growing.
over there in your state?
Yeah, in my side also growing potatoes, mustard crops, wheats, fenugreek, spinach. There are a lot of crops here also growing.
Yes, yes.
Hmm.
All right, ma'am. Before starting our conversation, we should introduce ourselves. So, first of all, please say something about yourself.
Okay, sure, why not? So, obviously, as you know, my name is Rasmi Rajput. I am talking to you from Uttar Pradesh. If I talk about my qualification, I have done my graduation. And if I talk about my profession, I am a homemaker. Simultaneously, I am running a YouTube channel. That name is English with Rasmi Rajput. As far as I consider my hobbies, I like cooking, reading English newspaper, and sometimes traveling and connecting with the different new people. These are my hobbies. So that's all about me.
Yes, yes. Okay, it is wonderful introduction from your side. And ma'am, being a housewife, you have a lot of work, and you are also running your YouTube channel, and you are learning this language. But how do you manage your time?
Yeah, every Sunday I would say I wake up early in the morning. After that, I start my day because being a housewife, it's not a easy task to everyone. So that's
Yes,
why every day I wake up early. After that, I start my day. Then after complete my all work, all housework, then I start my practice on myself because enhance my communication skills. Then also I can utilize my time very well because now I know very well time is very precious. That's why I don't like waste my time.
yes. Yes. And ma'am, how long have you been learning this language?
Yes, sir. I have been learning this language for more than 11 months.
11 months. And
Yeah, 11 months.
are you improving your English skill day by day?
Yeah, every day I would say I am improving a lot day by day.
Yes, yes.
Because you
And
can see my beginning video and yeah, now earlier time I was not able to talk to someone, but now I can talk to someone very easily.
yes, yes. Yeah, practice is the most important key. Yeah, I know very well. Practice is the most important key. And always you have to speak regular basis. Speaking, listening and speaking, both are very important. That's why both we are learning, both we are using this platform. Yeah. And ma'am, I would like to ask one question to you. Nowadays, how many sessions do you take every single day?
Oh sir, last few days I was not able to connect with someone because I was at my in-law house, so there were I didn't connect with someone. Today it's my first session with you. I
Uh-huh.
started again today.
Yes, yes. Yes, actually,
uh,
last few days I did not make any video because I was not feeling very well. But yes, last yesterday I got one video. Yeah, I made one video with another person, and right now also I am talking with you.
I would say I didn't connect with any one person. I didn't upload any video on my YouTube channel. But today I thought that I should connect with someone because we should practice every single day. We should do
Yes,
practice every single day.
yes. And ma'am,
So,
you
sir,
are running. You have been running your YouTube channel for a long time, but what kind of videos do you upload on your YouTube channel?
Yeah, every day, like I upload most of the time conversation video, but sometimes I make solo video, short video about grammar, like that, and any topic, and upload on my YouTube channel.
And you upload the grammatical English grammatical video on your YouTube channel.
Yes, yes, I also upload English grammatical video.
And while making the English grammatical video at that time, in which language do you use? Only English language or your native language?
Both are.
Hmm?
I use both our language, English and my native language is Hindi. So I use both our language.
Yes, yes, yeah, definitely. And when you make the English grammatical video at that time, maybe always you will have to use your native language, because who are learning this language, they will understand they will
Mm-hmm.
understand properly. Yeah.
Properly. Yes, yes. That's why I use my native language. Because if I make a video like totally in English, no one can't understand. That's why I make video like I make solo, not solo, short video. Then both are means Hindi and English.
Yes, yes. And ma'am,
Hmm.
nowadays, you a few minutes ago, you told me you like English newspaper, you like reading English newspaper, and do you like English storybook? Do you like reading English
Ye-
storybook?
Yes, yes. I also like English story books, but sometimes I read because I don't have much time.
Yes, and and you are also speaking English very well. You are learning this language, and apart from you, do you have any members at your house who is speaking English?
Yeah, my husband, he can speak English with me very well because he knows English, how to speak English.
Yes, yes. Yeah,
Yeah.
environment is very important. If you make a good English environment at your house, and if you
Mhm.
and your kid and your children, they will learn this language very easily.
Yeah, I can say there is no environment, but I can talk to my with my husband in English because he can understand everything. But there is no one can speak English, no one can understand this language.
Yes, yes, yes.
Everyone is speaking native language here.
Mm. And ma'am, how much time do you practice every single day?
Yeah, these days I am not consistent, but today I start again. That's why today I did practice some approximately 2 hours in day.
Yes, and I noticed there are many parents who are they are also sending their child in English medium school. And ma'am, and in your society, what is happening? What is the
Yeah,
picture?
in my side, yeah, same like way, there are a lot of also people they want to send their kids in English medium school. If I talk about myself, I have also two kids. My elder daughter she goes to in English medium school. That's why I started my English journey because I wanted to teach her. One day I went to the her school. At the time I was not speak a single sentence. Then I decided I should learn this language because this language is very, very important. And another things, when I taught her, I was not able to taught her. That's why I thought that I should learn this language. Now I can teach her very well.
Yes. And do you practice with your children at your house?
Yeah. I do practice with my childrens.
Yes, yes. And ma'am, I would like to ask one question to you. You make so many video with another person who are learning this language, who are beginner. And have you ever talked with another person who belong to another country?
Mhm. Yeah, I one day I talked to so many people. Like I used one application. Which application? I forget that name because I didn't use earlier time. I used to use, but there I got like some another country people.
And at that time,
Yeah.
did you make the video conversation?
Yeah, I used to use like real life application. So where I got a lot of people, another country people.
Mm.
Video
Yes,
call
yes,
and audio call both are calls are there available. We can talk to anyone person.
yes,
Do
and
you use a real life application?
no, I don't use this application. Yeah, earlier I used to use so many application, Hybro, Geo, Hybro, Experiency, CV, this kind of those kind of application I used to use. But nowadays I don't use.
Do you use? Did you use a like a AC Fluency app?
Yes,
AC
earlier I
Fluency
used to
app.
use. Yes, earlier I
It's
used to
a
use.
it's a paid and a free.
No, no, it was free.
Oh, it was free.
Yeah,
Okay, nice.
and ma'am,
I
you
didn't
you
use that application, but I heard about this application AC Fluency, but I didn't use it.
yeah,
I
earlier
thought
I
that
used to
it's
use.
a paid application. That's why I didn't try to use.
No, 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 it is free application.
Okay, free of
Mm,
cost.
yes. And ma'am, I right now also you are learning this language and you have been learning this language for a long time, as well as also you are running a YouTube channel. And after learning this language and after speaking English with another person who belong to another state, who belong to another country, after learning this language, are you happy in your life?
Oh my God, I'm so much happy because of this language because na really I didn't ever think about this language. I can speak English in front of others in my life. But nowadays it's possible. I can speak English in front of others. That's why I am very happy after learning this language. Still now I am learning English, but I can't see my happiness. How much I happy.
Yes, yes. And ma'am, I know very well to learn any language, always you have to follow four rules: ALS, RW, listening, speaking, reading, and writing. Four things are very important. But you are learning this language, and nowadays, what kind of method do you follow nowadays?
Yeah, in front of it's my opinion. Thinking is the most important to learn this language. Means
Yes,
speaking this language, mindset. Everyone said to like every YouTubers, everyone said to us like listening, reading, writing, speaking is the most important to learn this language. But I would say these are things also very important, but thinking also very important because
yes,
now if we think every time in English, automatically English words come out from our mouth.
yes,
If you say our mindset like every time in English, then everything we can speak very easily. That's why I focus on thinking. Every time I think a lot in English.
yes, yes. You're right. Actually, thinking English is very important. Yeah, if you practice thinking English, you will improve faster. Yeah, I follow these rules.
Hmm.
And if I don't get free time at that time, wherever I go and whatever I see, I always try to think in English. Yeah, in this way also I am learning this language. I am improving my English skill.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Right. I
Yes,
like very much thinking because no, I also when I do anything, so automatically English come in my mind. English comes in my mind, then I immediately I start thinking in English. There anything so when I saw anything in around me, and if I think about any one person, then automatically I think in English.
yes, yes. You are right. And ma'am, the another part is very important for learning the language. That is vocabulary. Vocabulary part is also
Okay.
important. Yeah. How did you
Yeah,
improve your
vocabulary
vocabulary
is
skill?
very good.
How did you
I
improve?
would say, I would say when I talk to someone at the time, I get some vocabulary like that. I am gradually improving my vocabulary.
Yes, yes. Yeah, you also like reading. It is good sign for you. Reading is also important. By reading, you can learn so many
Hmm.
new vocabulary, which are very
Yeah,
important.
yeah, yeah. Yes.
Yes.
Right.
But but I don't like
Yeah.
reading. Yeah, that's why I had to face a lot of problem for improving my vocabulary skill.
Why you don't like reading?
Yeah, actually, I don't get free time. Yeah, and I don't. It is boring to me. Yeah, it is boring to me. That's why I don't like reading.
Okay. But I
Yeah,
like very much reading, but I don't have much time to read
yeah,
long time, but I can read something,
yeah.
sometime
But
only.
but whenever I get free time, I always watch the YouTube video in English with subtitle, and at that time I read. Yeah, and watching any
Hmm.
English content on the YouTube channel, at that time I read.
Okay, okay.
Yes.
Okay, very nice. So how is going on work nowadays?
Yeah, nowadays is everything is going on very well. There is no problem. My practice is going on very well. Yeah, my channel is going on very well. There is no problem.
Okay,
Actually,
okay, okay.
after closing the Skype application, there is a problem for connecting the with another person for making this kind of video.
Yeah, really, everyone faced this problem. Means still now facing this problem. We can't get any one person very easily. But if I talk about Skype, at the time we used to Skype, we can get a lot of people very easily. But nowadays,
Yeah.
I don't know what happened to any one person. We can't
Yes. Yes.
get.
At that time, when I dropped any message in the Skype group, at that time there were so many people. Yeah,
Yeah.
they dropped the message. Yeah, I am free. I am free. But nowadays, when I drop any message in this group, yeah, there is no one.
Mm-hmm. Right, right.
Yeah. That's why
Okay,
also
sir.
that's why that's why I don't upload
Yeah.
the video on my YouTube channel every single day.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I can understand also it happened with me.
Yes, yes. Yeah,
Yeah.
after closing the Skype application, I noticed that that's why many YouTuber they are always making the slow video. They are always making the English grammatical video.
Yeah, right, right.
And ma'am, do you make the English blog video for your YouTube channel?
No, I didn't make yet English vlogs video, but I will try to make, but
Yes,
I didn't make yet. I already made some solo video, but I didn't make like a vlog video.
yes, yes. And nowadays, what kind of channel do you follow for improving your English skill?
I follow a lot of channels. Then I can improve my spoken English.
Yeah, who are learning this language for a long time, maybe 1 year and 2 years. I noticed that they are learning this language as well as also they are learning another accent. I mean, British accent, American accent. Nowadays, do you follow in the foreign language?
No, no, no. I already learning like our Indian language means Indian English. These days I don't use like any accent, another country accent.
Yeah, yeah. And ma'am, what do you do in your free
First
time?
of all, first of all, I want to improve my basic English. After that, I will learn another accent.
Yes, yes, you're right. Yeah. And ma'am, what do you do in your free time?
Oh my God, I don't have free time. Whenever I get time, I try to do something like I try to learn new things. I try to read news, English newspaper. I connect with someone like that things I do, but I would say I don't have free time.
Yes, yes. All right, ma'am. It
Hmm.
was a nice conversation with you. Yeah. And
Yeah.
I I thank you for giving a valuable time, and I have learned so many things by connecting with you.
Okay, sir. Really, it was very nice session with you. I am really very happy after connecting with you. Thank you so much for giving me your precious time.
All right,
Okay,
ma'am. Take
take
care.
care. Have a nice evening.
Yeah, take care. Bye bye. Have a good day.